applications of spherical mirrors and lenses. A. Uses of concave mirror. A concave mirror has the capability of forming images that can be smaller or larger in size and virtual or erect, depending on the position of the object. Hence, there are many uses of concave mirror. In torches and headlights, a parallel beam of light is obtained by keeping the source of light at the focus. In floodlights, in order to get intense beam of light, the source of light is placed just beyond the center of curvature. Reflecting mirrors for projector lamps. In this case, the object is placed at the center of curvature to obtain an image of the same size. To collect heat radiations in solar devices, the panel to be heated is kept at the focus of the concave mirror, which focuses the radiations from the sun onto the panel. Shaving mirror, dentist's mirror. It produces an erect, virtual and highly magnified image of an object placed between its pole and focus. Solar furnaces. Large concave mirrors are used to concentrate sunlight and produce heat in a solar furnace, which is at the focal point. B. Uses of convex lens. Simple microscope. A single convex lens of small focal length can be used as a simple microscope. Magnification of a simple microscope is about 20 times. It is used by watch repairers, jewelers, etc. Compound microscope. A combination of two convex lenses having short focal lengths are used in compound microscope. It is used in laboratories for observing microorganisms, cells, bacteria, etc. Telescope. A combination of two convex lenses is used in telescopes. An astronomical telescope is used to get detailed view of astronomical bodies like the planets, stars, etc. Optical instruments. Convex lenses are used in different optical instruments like camera, projector, spectrometer, etc. Spectacles. Convex lens is used in spectacles to correct defects like hypermetropia.